Hello everyone, welcome back to another video on our channel Take It Simple. In this guide video, I'm going to show you how you can fix the Messenger app not working problem. Sometimes your Messenger app does not seem to function properly, so you need to follow the steps that I'm going to show you in this video to fix that problem. But before that, make sure you are subscribed to our channel and also turn on the notifications so you don't miss out on any of our upcoming videos. There are a few things that you can do to fix this problem. The first thing you can do is head over to the Play Store and check if your Messenger is updated or not. If you see a button called update, then you should update your Messenger and check if this solves your problem. If it still doesn't solve your problem, then you'll need to head over to the settings option on your device. Then you'll need to go to the apps setting and then head over to manage apps. Now in the search bar, type in Messenger. Now what you'll need to do is clear the data and clear the cache of Messenger. After you clear the data, make sure that you remember the password and email address to your Messenger, because after you clear the data of your email and password will be removed from your device. Another thing you can try out is uninstall your Messenger on your device and try to reinstall it. Sometimes this also fixes any kind of bugs that is causing the problem. And also try to restart your device and reopen it, and hopefully will solve your problem. I hope you guys found this video to be helpful. If you did, don't forget to give us a thumbs up and also subscribe to our channel if you haven't already. And that's all for this video, and I'll see you in the next one.